Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys a collab video with my girl XOXO SHEBA. Make sure you guys go like, share, subscribe, all the other good stuff on her channel as well. We all need love, okay? So make sure you guys support my girl. We both decided to do a collab on human hair units, and as you can see, this unit is from Nadula hair. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. As you can see, while I am showing you guys the construction of the wig, y'all see that sheepskin looking skin in the wig? I didn't know what that was. I don't know what type of protective whatever that was, but as you can see further on down in the video, I will be cutting that piece off because I did put foundation thinking that it was going to seep in, but no, that was literally something in a way. It was literally blocking me coloring the lace, so I cut that off, and as you can see, that looks a whole lot better. Okay. If anybody told y'all that laying baby hairs were easy, they're not. I'm not even done. I know y'all like, girl, you already finna do your part and you let your hair down. No, baby, I'm just getting started. I literally laid down a blueprint for how I want my baby hairs to lay. Trust me, it's coming up. It's coming up how I really lay my baby hair down. So of course, in the middle for my parting space, I want that to be a little bit more flatter. So I did put some foaming mousse, and I'm going to add my blow dryer heat so I can flatten that section of my hair off just a little bit. the description box below. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my girl XOXO SHEBA. And please, y'all, be safe out here. Continue to spread love. And I'll talk to y'all later.